it's Dave from Old Dominion Angler. I'm out here with my family. Got my wife Nancy with me and my daughter Lauren. We're going to go out here to the Salt Creek, see what we can catch. Probably perch, trout, and stripers. So hopefully we'll get hooked up on some good fish and we'll see you out there. So Nancy and Lauren are both working a little lightweight gear, 4-pound test, number 4 circle hook with some grass shrimp and a strike indicator. And I'm throwing Berkeley power bait, swim shad. So we'll see what happens. Oh, missed him. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah. Oh, he's a big one. He's moving the boat. Oh, he's a good one. Look at that. Nah, I'll lip him. Oh yeah.
What in the world?
Oh, baby, he's huge.
That's your my best right there.
Oh
My gosh.
Look at that guy, huh? Oh yeah, he swallowed that thing. Look at that. Down the gullet.
Gorgeous.
Can you get it out?
Yep.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
There you go. Look at that cheeky guy.
Oh
Pretty.
my goodness.
All right, let's put him back.
Wait. Stir stripes a lot.
Sir Stripes a lot.
Goodbye, Sir Stripes.
Oh yeah, he bit me. Fast thumb.
Right
Cool. Wow, man, that spot is on fire. That's the 3rd striper I've caught out of that little cut. Nice. All right, let me get you guys on the fish. I was being a little bit of a fish pig there. Sorry. I'm just gonna catch fish.
Totally did.
Nice. What you got? Check it out.
little perch.
That's right. That's pretty good. Good medium size.
All right, let me get you on there, buddy.
Good job, Lauren. Lauren's got a fish.
Already?
Oh yeah.
Good job.
What you got?
Another little perch.
No, that's not a perch.
Oh, that's a speckled trout.
That's a speckled trout.
Oh, hello.
Make sure you get your hand wet before you handle him. Gorgeous. Lauren's gonna catch another fish.
Gracious, that was a large strike for such a...
Oh, that's a good size.
I was going to say small fish, but he is not small.
Oh, that's a good perch.
Can I release him right here?
Yeah, of course you can. He's like, yes, please. Thank you. There's a spike for your trouble. All right, Nancy's hooked up on a fish. What do you got?
He's
Oh my
tiny.
goodness gracious. Monster. Here, let me get him off for you.
The smallest thing ever.
That's
What are you
right
gonna name
near his eye. Little perch.
Oh,
He's gonna be pipsqueak.
That was bait, what you caught. But that's good. Sometimes you want to catch bait. I mean, we're not really using live bait today. But sometimes you do.
What about the 3 I just caught that you didn't catch on film?
Don't be a liar. I will call you out. 3 misses. It's alright. I'm always like overstriking and sending my gear flying across the boat.
I know, it's really funny.
And then a second later, I'm like, Lauren, your hook is so close to my face. It's really not fair, is it?
Not gonna hook you.
It's not fair, is it?
Stay calm. Know what I'm doing.
That's right. You've been fishing for years.
No, way longer than me.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Catching.
Nancy's catching a fish. You gotta let me know. Look at him go. He's tunneling. You gonna reel him in or? Okay, I just wondered.
Oh, he's another big one.
Oh, that's nice. That's a nice little perch. Good job.
Thank you.
Nice. Pop that cork twice and bang. Fish on. Yeah, he's a good one.
Yeah, this is a nice size one. All right,
Another perch.
Gracious, yeah.
Wow, that's a good one.
Come here. Stop flopping around.
Get control of your fish.
Look at you.
Go ahead.
That was weird how I caught that guy.
Catch him on a retriever.
Yeah, well, I pulled it up a little bit, and then I just popped it a couple times.
Yeah.
And the second time I popped it, I was like, that's weird. Did I catch marsh grass? Oh no, it was a fish.
All right, everybody, we're gonna head out. We have caught a ton of fish. Well, Lauren's caught a ton of fish. Nancy caught a few perch, a couple nice ones, and I hooked up to that nice striper there right at the beginning. That was a good day. Got bunker flipping up all over the water out here. The water's super calm. It's beautiful out here. Got some nice fall colors for you guys to look at. Yeah, we'll catch you on the next adventure. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave us a comment below. We'll get back to you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.